right out of the box. She is a banger. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, let's get right into it. So today's wig is a glueless HD lace front. The hair is kinky. It's 180% density. It's a 6x4 and it's 22 to 28 inches long. Inside the box, you got the regular hair instructions, your ball cap. Oh my gosh, she is so soft. And look at this up close. This lace is on point. It's cut good. I didn't bleach the knots. I didn't do anything to it but take it out of the box. The elastic band is on point, sturdy. I love this wig. This hair feels like mine. This look damn good for no glue, no makeup, no nothing. Just pop her on. I know y'all tired of my wand curl, so I am going to try to put a couple of layers in it. Like, I'm gonna tell you right now, I do not know how to cut good, so we learn together, baby. But I'm gonna try to put some layers in it, try to put like a couple of streaks of color in it, and see if we can just transform this pop and go wig to something super cute. All right. So here I have the bleach and the developer that I use. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put a couple of blonde streaks in it. I don't know what color I'm going to use yet, but I am going to bleach a couple of strips. And so what I'm doing is I'm just taking a couple of rubber bands and separating the part that I'm going to bleach so that the bleach doesn't get on the rest of the hair. So this is the wig with the bleach strips on it. And this is the hair after I rinsed the bleach off. And I decided to put some pink on it on a few of the strips, not like completely the whole entire thing, but just on a few of the blonde strips. And this is what I came out with. So y'all already know I had to size it because my head is small like a pea. And then I'm going to just go ahead and put the makeup on and put some curls in her. So then I went ahead and put some curls in it. Now let's see how she looks on. And here she is. Ah, look, I'm so excited because it feels so good to be able to take a wig out of the box. Don't have to put no makeup on it. Let me see. Well, you might want to put a little makeup on it, but I'm just saying though, some of us with lighter skin, like my skin is kind of dark, but if you're lighter than me, look, okay, you can just pop this baby on and you good to go. It's even cut all the way to the edge. You know what I'm saying? No glue, no none of that. I'm good. That means my wig is going to last a lot longer. So I'm not going to glue her on. I'm just going to pull this cap back and see what she look like. Okay, so this is how it looks up close without any makeup. I have not put anything on it. Do I need to? Is it even going to show? It might not even show. But just for the practice of it and to show you guys, I will put some on here. But it blends in really good. Okay, so here go the colors. I just put like a couple of hot pink streaks in it. A couple of, actually when I bleached it, it automatically made the brown, you know, like the golden color. And then after I put the bleach in it, I was like, you know what, the bleach look kind of good. I'm going to just go ahead and put a couple of hot pink streaks in it. So that's all I did, basically, and put a couple of curls in it. And, you know, anytime you're dealing with that blonde hair, it's kind of wild. But now that the curl is falling, it look a lot better. So the looser, I think the better. Okay. Hit me up. Let me know what you think. Until our next video.